Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV specialist. So today I'm looking at a 2019 Grand Design Reflection. It's a 303 RLS, and it came in for the customer satisfaction. And while we were doing that, just a couple things. I'm going to touch on a few things. Number one, if you've added the More Ride cross braces, which are these guys right here, those go from hanger to hanger, so we're going to look at that first in this video. So if you've added these cross braces and you put those in, that's something that's typically not covered by Grand Design during this customer satisfaction survey. On this particular one, we didn't catch that at the beginning, so we were actually lucked out, and our contacts at Grand Design went ahead and approved some time to go ahead and remove all three of those, which there was one in the center at one time. And then the other additional thing is this unit also has disc brakes, and it didn't originally come with disc brakes. It was something that was added to it, and so in that it required to drop down the disc brakes, remove the calipers, which again takes additional time. So if you've had an accessory added on, such as disc brakes, the cross braces, or even we just installed this Roadmaster Comfort Ride Kit, or even Roadmaster Comfort Ride Kit, if we have to get in here in order to remove everything, to clean up and weld in the V-braces, and this particular one had cracks in the frame. It actually had 4 cracks in the frame. So you can see where we put the bracket in and custom cut it to fit, and same thing over here. If you have a Roadmaster kit installed, or if you have the cross braces installed, or if you've upgraded the disc brakes, or you've added sumo springs, or any additional accessories, in this video, what we want you to know is that that's not going to be part of this Grand Design customer satisfaction survey. So you as the consumer will have to pay to have that stuff removed and reinstalled, the additional time that's not covered from Grand Design. And it's not because they don't want to, it's just because, it's been modified or changed, by you or by a shop or by the previous owners or whatnot. So just something to keep in mind. So if you are coming in here for that and you do have that, we're going to start looking to make sure that to verify. And then, we're not here to gouge anybody or anything. So we're just going to start, charging exactly time for time to remove those, reinstall them. If you did have the Roadmaster kit, of course, all that would have to come off anyway. So we would have to charge you additional time to take the apparatus down, the pumpkin and whatnot, and then if you have disc brakes. So anyways, just something to think about. Obviously we had to take the disc brakes loose, readjust the calipers, bleed the system. So but it's something I wanted you to be aware about. So if you do come in for the customer satisfaction survey, please keep that in your back pocket as a reminder. Or if you're seeing this online and you're at another dealership or repair shop and they're doing this work for you, and they come at you and say, hey, this and this and this is not covered, just know that that's the reasons why. So anyway, stay tuned for more, and we will talk to you soon. I'm going to do a couple other videos on this same unit, and we will get back at it. So thanks so much for watching, and we appreciate you joining our Grand Design Facebook group. We're currently at, I think it was 45,500 members as of yesterday, and so we're continuing to grow and try to be there to help where we can, for not only you online, but as well as the manufacturer. Remember that we are doing Grand Design factory warranty, and obviously this is part of that. We also do the recalls, and so we're here to help both parties as a neutral and get you taken care of. All right, well, stay safe, travel, and we'll see you out there. Thanks so much for watching.